Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly and easily merge clips in Davinci Resolve. So just make sure that you have added both of your clips or however many clips you want to merge into your media pool. So this is the box where you can add as much media as you want. So as you can see, I have two videos to show you an example how to merge videos. Then what you want to do is you can either select both of them and then add them into the timeline, or you can just drag them one by one. So one and then two right after the other, and now basically it's already done. They are both merged now. As you can see, when one video finishes playing, another one starts right after. And now the only thing that's left to do is to render the video. So for that you just go to the Deliver tab, and then from here you need to choose your settings that you prefer. So the format, the codec, the bitrate, and all the various settings you can do here. Then just add to render queue. As you can see, now our project that we have created, basically where we merged two videos or however many you want, now it's added to the rendering queue. Then just press render, and after rendering is done, you will have both of your videos or however many you want merged into one, and you're done. As you can see, now our video is merged successfully, completed in 9 seconds. Very easy. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and I will see you